Okay, Miss Logan says, Patrice Logan, I've had chemo due to colon cancer. Since my cleanup chemo, I noticed memory loss and attention problems. My doctor mentioned chemo brain. If the chemo is the reason, can it be reversed? Chemotherapy is toxic therapy. The objective of all chemotherapeutic agents is to do more damage to the cancer cells than it does to your normal cells. The way that it isolates the cancer cells are that cancer cells have a high metabolic rate. So the cancer cell will get more of the toxic chemotherapy than a normal cell would. But how much is enough to insult a normal cell? Other high metabolic rate cells in your body are the cells that make your hair grow. Your hair cells are very high metabolic rate, which is why more often than not, when people are getting chemotherapy, they lose their hair, and not just the hair on their head, but their eyebrows, sometimes even their eyelashes. And so any tissue in your body that has a high metabolic rate can be lost with chemotherapy. So the damage that's done on the endothelial level, or the cells that line the brain and provide nutrition to the brain, they can be damaged as well. So with endothelial dysfunction, you can lose brain tissue proper, which will result in memory loss. So there are things that you can do to stimulate your brain, and believe it or not, there are brain activities like word find or Sudoku puzzles. And then I would also take anti-inflammatories. I keep restating vitamin D, omega-3 fish are great for brain metabolism and to renew brain tissue. There are some things that I hear about on the internet. People are talking about, improving brain function. I won't mention any names because I'm not necessarily agreeing with what they say they do, but I have patients that swear by them. So I tell people, if it happens 1 out of 1,000,000 times and it happens to you, it's 100%. So if it's working for you, I don't dispute that because I don't know how your brain is working. And you tell me that you feel better on it, that's good enough for me. So chemo brain and any other tissues in your body that can be damaged by chemotherapy, tincture of time, your body will heal itself. And congratulations for being cancer free at this time, hopefully. And then, just the things that you need to do to optimize your nutrition. You are what you eat. You need to be eating a lot of healthy, crunchy fruits and vegetables. You need to be taking your probiotics. You need to be taking your omega-3 fish oil and your vitamin D, and optimizing the supplements that you can take to allow your body to heal itself. So good luck with that, Patrice. We are rooting for you and keeping you in our thoughts and prayers.